Michael Phelps, the most decorated Olympian of all time, carried a secret burden beneath his 28 Olympic medals. Behind the triumphs, he grappled with crippling anxiety and depression. The pressure to succeed, the weight of expectations, and the relentless pursuit of perfection took a toll on his mental well-being. Phelps's story is not unique. It reflects a hidden struggle faced by many athletes, where the pursuit of excellence often comes at a cost. For years, Phelps suffered in silence, afraid to show vulnerability. He felt trapped in a world where strength was everything and weakness was unacceptable. But in 2004, he took a brave step and sought help. He began therapy and learned to confront his demons. Phelps's journey of healing became a testament to the power of vulnerability and the importance of seeking support. His story is a beacon of hope, a reminder that even the strongest among us can struggle. It shatters the myth of invincibility and encourages us to look beyond the surface, to see the human behind the athlete. Phelps's willingness to share his struggles has helped break down the stigma surrounding mental health, paving the way for others to seek help without shame. The world of sports often celebrates physical prowess, but the mental fortitude required to compete at the highest level is often overlooked. Athletes face immense pressure, grueling training schedules, and the constant scrutiny of the public eye. This pressure cooker environment can take a toll on their mental health, leading to anxiety, depression, eating disorders, and other challenges. Statistics paint a stark picture of the mental health crisis in sports. A study by the British Journal of Sports Medicine found that nearly 1/3 of elite athletes experience symptoms of depression or anxiety. Another study by the University of Toronto revealed that 41% of Canadian national team athletes reported symptoms consistent with a mental health disorder. These figures highlight the urgent need for greater awareness and support for athletes' mental well-being. The stigma surrounding mental health in sports often prevents athletes from seeking help. They fear judgment, jeopardizing their careers, and being perceived as weak. This silence perpetuates a culture where mental health issues are brushed aside, leaving athletes to grapple with their struggles alone. It's time to break the silence and create a culture of support and understanding in the world of sports. Leading mental health professionals and sports psychologists emphasize the crucial role of mental well-being in athletic performance and overall athlete health. Dr. Alan Goldberg, a renowned sports psychologist, states that mental health is just as important as physical health for athletes. He stresses that neglecting mental health can hinder performance, lead to burnout, and increase the risk of injury. Dr. Claudia Reardon, a psychiatrist specializing in athlete mental health, highlights the importance of early intervention and preventative measures. She advocates for integrating mental health education into athlete training programs, promoting open communication, and providing access to mental health professionals. We need to create an environment where athletes feel comfortable seeking help without fear of judgment, she emphasizes. Experts agree that addressing mental health in sports requires a multi-pronged approach. This includes raising awareness, providing education, offering confidential support services, and fostering a culture of empathy and understanding within teams and organizations. By prioritizing mental well-being, we can empower athletes to thrive both on and off the field. Rising from the ashes, resilience and recovery. The journey to mental well-being is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires courage, resilience, and a commitment to self-care. Athletes who have overcome mental health challenges often speak about the importance of vulnerability, seeking help, and building a strong support system. They emphasize the power of therapy, mindfulness practices, and connecting with others who understand their struggles. Recovery is not about erasing the past, but about learning from it and using it as a source of strength. It's about accepting imperfections, embracing vulnerability, and developing coping mechanisms to navigate life's challenges. It's about recognizing that setbacks are a part of life and that they can be opportunities for growth and self-discovery. The stories of athletes who have triumphed over mental health challenges offer a powerful message of hope and resilience. They demonstrate that recovery is possible, that strength can be found in vulnerability, and that seeking help is a sign of courage, not weakness. Their stories inspire us to believe in the power of the human spirit to overcome adversity and emerge stronger. Hope's beacon, you are not alone. The conversation about mental health in sports is gaining momentum, but there's still a long way to go. We must continue to challenge the stigma, raise awareness, and advocate for greater support for athletes' mental well-being. Every athlete, regardless of their level of competition, deserves access to the resources and support they need to thrive. If you're an athlete struggling with your mental health, know that you are not alone. There are people who care about you and want to help. Reach out to a trusted friend, family member, coach, or mental health professional. There is strength in vulnerability, and seeking help is a sign of courage. Remember, your mental health is just as important as your physical health. It's okay to not be okay, and it's okay to ask for help. You are worthy of support, and you deserve to live a life filled with joy, purpose, and well-being. Your journey to mental wellness is a testament to your strength and resilience. The power of support systems. While the journey to mental wellness is a personal one, having a robust support system can make all the difference. Support systems can come in various forms, whether it's family, friends, teammates, coaches, or mental health professionals. These networks provide the emotional backing and practical advice that can be crucial for an athlete's mental health. For many athletes, coaches and teammates are like a second family. They understand the pressures and demands of the sport, and their support can be instrumental in navigating the highs and lows of an athletic career. A coach who prioritizes mental health can create a safe environment where athletes feel comfortable expressing their feelings and seeking help when needed. Friends and family members also play a vital role. They offer a sense of normalcy and a reminder that there is life beyond the sport. Their unconditional love and encouragement can provide a much-needed respite from the relentless pursuit of excellence. Mental health professionals such as sports psychologists and therapists are another critical component of an athlete's support system. They bring specialized knowledge and techniques to help athletes manage stress, overcome mental barriers, and develop coping strategies. Building a strong support system doesn't happen overnight. It requires open communication, mutual trust, and a willingness to be vulnerable. But the benefits are immeasurable. When athletes know they have people who believe in them and are there for them, they are more likely to reach out for help and make positive strides in their mental health journey. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. Lean on your support system and let them be part of your journey to mental wellness. Together, we can create a culture where mental health is prioritized and athletes are supported in every aspect of their lives. Voices of experience. Athletes share their stories. Hearing directly from athletes about their personal mental health journeys can be incredibly powerful and inspiring. These stories highlight the resilience, courage, and determination required to face mental health challenges head-on. Let's hear from some athletes who have bravely shared their experiences to help break the stigma surrounding mental health in sports. The role of coaches and trainers. Coaches and trainers play a pivotal role in the lives of athletes, not just in terms of physical performance, but also in mental well-being. Their support can make a significant difference in an athlete's journey towards mental health. Mental health resources for athletes. As we delve deeper into the importance of mental health in sports, it's crucial to highlight the various resources available to athletes. These resources can provide essential support and guidance for maintaining mental wellness. Summary and encouragement. As we conclude our journey through the critical topic of mental health in sports, let's take a moment to reflect on the key takeaways. We've explored the weight of gold, understanding that the pressures of athletic success can profoundly impact mental health. We've delved into the mental health challenges athletes face in the arena and listened to expert opinions on how to address these issues. Through stories of resilience and recovery, we've seen that overcoming mental health challenges is possible with the right support. We highlighted the importance of support systems, from coaches and trainers to peers and mental health professionals. We learned about various mental health resources available to athletes, including sports psychologists, mental health apps, peer support programs, hotlines, and team initiatives. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength. If you or someone you know is struggling, don't hesitate to reach out. Utilize the resources available, talk to someone you trust, and know that you are not alone. Together, we can foster a supportive environment where mental health is prioritized and valued. Thank you for joining us on this important journey. Let's continue to support and uplift each other, creating a world where athletes can thrive both mentally and physically. Stay strong, stay connected, and remember, help is always available. Until next time, take care.